Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking about Social Security COLA adjustments for 2024. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So we're looking at a chart of cost of living adjustments for Social Security retirement benefits over a 9-year period starting in 2015. And you can see it fluctuates quite a bit. According to the Social Security Administration, the 2024 level will be 3.2%. And this particular level, as we described in our book, Social Security in 30 Minutes, it's based on a number of factors, including the Consumer Price Index. Inflation also has a lot to do with that adjustment, which is made every year for the following year. So right now, the 2024 data is available. And if we go to the chart here, we can talk a little bit about the history. In 2024, it's 3.2%. You can see the previous year, 2023, it was 8.7%. And the reason why it was so high then and it's declined since then is because there was a huge rise in inflation after the pandemic, owing to a number of factors. But since that has died down a little bit, thanks in part to the actions of the U.S. Fed, it's going to be 3.2% for 2024. And you can see in some years, including 2016, there was no increase in the COLA. Now, one thing you need to understand about the cost of living adjustment by Social Security, it's supposed to reflect what people are paying, but it doesn't always match up the way that people think it should. For instance, if you're a renter, you've probably noticed that your cost of living has gone up a lot more than, 3 or 4% or even 8% in the past couple of years. It's been growing by leaps and bounds. But if you own your own house, that particular part of the pie that you pay for your Social Security expenses, that's not as noticeable. And also there's regional differences in things like the price of fuel and food and whatnot. So that's the lowdown for the cost of living adjustment in 2024. For more information on how to get the most out of Social Security, check out our book, Social Security in 30 Minutes. It's a 2-volume series. One covers retirement benefits, one covers SSI and SSDI. It's available from in30minutes.com or any place where you buy your books. This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.